Let's get the firmware update on your Tone Master Pro. If you need to check whether you have the latest installed, tap the gear icon on the upper right of the main display. Then tap About to see your current version. An optional step before you start is to use the Fender Pro Control app to back up your presets before starting the update. To find the firmware, enter URL www.fender.com/tonemaster_pro, where you'll find links to both firmware and the Fender Pro Control app if you need it. You can also find it by scrolling down on the Tone Master product page at fender.com. Now download the firmware. To enter update mode, connect your Tone Master to your computer using the USB-C cable provided. Note, your Tone Master should still be off. Locate the small Firmware Update button on the back panel next to the headphone jack. Press and hold the button while flipping the power switch. Hold for 10 seconds until the screen shows USB Firmware Update mode. To install firmware, drag and drop the firmware update.img file on the Fender amp mounted drive on your computer. The display will read Applying Updates. Do not power off or disconnect the USB cable for the duration of this process. Once the unit says Do a restart to continue, do a restart by turning the unit off, which is a good time to unplug from the computer, then back on to finalize the installation. A final note, if updating from a version lower than 1.1.100, a factory reset is recommended afterward, which will erase custom presets, so be sure to back them up first. I hope that was helpful. Please like and comment, and I'll see you in the next video.